Students, after the study of rate constant and rate law means in rate expression. What is rate law? In rate expression, we took product of reactant concentration, and for that particular concentration of reactant we put some power, or we can say some power is raised to that particular reactant concentration in particular rate expression. It is rate law. Rate equal to k a की power 1 by 2 or b की power 2 by 2 something, or b की power 1, right now. So after the study of rate constant and rate law, we will discuss order of reaction, and for order of reaction rate law plays very much important and crucial role in this topic. So for order of reaction you must know what is rate law. Without knowing rate law you can't able to achieve your desire, your goal for order of reaction. Means for certain if I am trying to explain that what is order of reaction, what is rate law, so we can't do it separately. Remember, rate constant, rate law and order of reaction both make triangle, and both or we can say all three makes triangle, and these three when make triangle they are somewhere somehow they are linked to each other, right? So remember, rate law, rate constant, and next one is order of reaction. So definition of order of reaction: the sum of power to which the concentration of reactants are raised in a rate law. Means it is nothing but, suppose for a reaction a rate law is given. You know, rate law is already given by examiner or by certain example or certain question by which he is going to ask about order of reaction. Then at that time he will provide to you rate law. So first of all just focus on particular reaction and just see or search where rate law is given. Suppose in a rate law a की power is 1 by 2 and b की power is 1. So you have to sum that 1 by 2 and 1. So see in example, for a reaction H2 plus I2 gives 2HI, and very important, what is R equal to K H2I2? What is this? This is rate law. What is this? This is rate law, and it is inbuilt. It is given by examiner. It is already mentioned in example, so that you can easily determine what is order of reaction. And very simple concept. Once you understand, you can able to make any kind of problem regarding this concept. So R equal to K H2I2. So remember, R equal to K H2I2. Forget this. Now what is order of reaction? So reactant term is H2 and I2 na. So order of reaction with respect to H2 equal to 1, because H2 की power is how much? It is 1, and for I2 it is also 1. So order of reaction with respect to H2 is 1 and with respect to I2 is also 1. But examiner is asking overall order of reaction. He can ask individual order of reaction. So overall order of reaction, just put the sum of all reactant term. 1 plus 1, answer is 2. See example number 2. Here A plus B is making product, and rate law is different. In this case SC is equal to the power is raised. I already told you in the concept of rate law, it can be the power which is raised to the concentration term, it can be equal to stoichiometric coefficient or it can't be equal to stoichiometric coefficient. It's depend on that particular reaction, and I already told you that it is determined experimentally. So A plus B gives product R equal to K. Here A की power कितना? 1 by 2, but SC is कितना? 1. So it's not sometime it can be exactly equal or it can be equal. Remember this one. So A की power is 1 by 2 and B की power 2. See here, no 2 is SC na, but power is 2. So just focus on rate law. This one is very important for you. Rate law is very much important for order of reaction, where R equal to K, A की power 1 by 2 and B की power 2. Now very simply you can design the order of reaction with respect to A, it equal to 1 by 2. A की power कितना? A की power is 1 by 2 ना. What about B? B to the power 2. So overall order of reaction will equal to 2 plus 0.5. Answer is 2.5. Yes. With respect to A कितना? 1 by 2. With respect to B कितना? 2. You have to sum. You will get the exact overall order of reaction. See again one example. Cl2 gas reacting with NO gas. It is producing 2 NOCl gas. Rate law. Check rate law. Nothing. No. We haven't deal with rate of reaction. Oh, sorry. It is for chemical reaction. We have to deal with rate law. We have to deal with rate law. R equal to K Cl2 NO की power 2. Here SC and the power is matching. Again I am saying it's none of our business. Now our business is R equal to K Cl2 NO की power 2. Now again order of reaction with respect to Cl2 कितना? It is 1. With respect to NO it is 2. Overall order of reaction it is 3. So students, it is very commonly asked in your exam. You have to find the value of order of reaction. Overall he can ask, or for particular reactant A, B or reactant H2, I2, it can be depends on the examiner mood. So you have to very much concern about the rate law, rate constant, and this topic is order of reaction. In our next lecture, we are trying to understand what is unit of order of reaction. What is unit of order of reaction? We can say unit of rate constant, not unit of order of reaction, unit of rate constant. Or further we will decide, or we will go for molecularity, a new term, and then we will derive that certain particular derivation for zero order, क्योंकि order can be 1, 2, 3 ना. So we will derive expression for zero order, first order, and again as we will move further it will come half-life period. So many things are still pending, still just up to come in our this chapter, and chapter is very much interesting. Once you get the concept, you can easily find what is your area of interest. So chapter is very important. Just try to study with your conscious mind, and happily you can earn the concept whatever examiner is or whatever teacher is going to provide you. So thank you very much for order of reaction.